Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to flip an image in Google Docs. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, select this image and then click on image options right here. This will show you this window where you can rotate it 90 degrees right here, and your image is flipped. You can also mirror your image, but there is a different way if you want to mirror it, like flip it. So first is to click on it and then find view more actions, then save to keep. It will open up this window where you can save the image. So right click, save image as, and save it. Boy image, press save. Now then go right here to pinetools.com/flip image, so this, go to Finder and upload your boy image like this, then press flip, and as you can see your image is flipped. So press on PNG right here and save it, boy image flipped, like so, and press save. Then go back, you can close this, right click on your image and then choose replace image, upload from computer, and find the flipped image, double click it, and as you can see your image is flipped. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.